Привет, друзья! Hello, friends! It's your Russian teacher Lisa again here. Today I want to share with you something really fun and a little mysterious. Russian superstitions. Things that Russians believe bring good luck, bad luck, or just feel not right. And of course, I'll teach you some useful Russian phrases to go with these customs. So let's start. Поехали! Don't shake hands over a threshold. Never shake hands, give money, or pass anything over a doorway. Why? Russians believe the threshold is a boundary between two worlds. Crossing it with your hand can bring bad energy or bad luck. And useful phrases. Давай не через порог. Давай не через порог. Давай не через порог. Let's not do it over the threshold. For example, if you are visiting a friend, you try to hand them something at the door, they'll step aside, invite you in, and only then accept it. Next one, spit 3 times over your left shoulder. Even I do it. When Russians want to protect themselves from bad luck, especially after hearing something scary or negative, they might pretend to spit over their left shoulder. And normally we say, чтоб не сглазить, so I don't jinx it. For example, someone says, ты так хорошо выглядишь. You look so good. And you answer, спасибо, чтоб не сглазить. Спасибо, чтоб не сглазить. Thank you, knock on wood. Sit down before a trip. Before a long journey, Russians always take a moment to sit down quietly for 10-30 seconds before they leave the house. It's called присесть на дорожку. Присесть на дорожку. Присесть на дорожку, to sit before the road. And the phrase might be сели на дорожку. Let's sit before the road. Или присядем на дорожку. It's a moment to calm down, check your things, and bring good luck for the trip. We really do it. Don't whistle indoors. Don't do this. If you whistle inside a house, Russian belief, you whistle away your money. No one wants that. So the phrase can be не свисти дома, денег не будет. Не свисти дома, денег не будет. Don't whistle at home, there won't be any money. As an example, your Russian friend hears you whistle and they might actually stop you and say it. Don't get surprised in this case. Next one, black cat crossing your path. Like in many countries, a black cat crossing the road is seen as a bad sign. And the phrase for this can be Ой, черная кошка, не повезло. Ой, черная кошка, не повезло. Oh, black cat, bad luck. But Russians often add a fun fix. They hold on to something made of metal or say, на удачу for good luck, на удачу. Or also you can knock 3 times on the wood. So phrases to remember and to use them. Давай не через порог. Давай не через порог. Let's not do it over the threshold. Чтоб не сглазить. So I don't jinx it. Сели на дорожку. Посидим на дорожку. Let's sit before the road. Не свисти дома, денег не будет. Don't whistle at home, no money. На удачу, for good luck. Do you have any similar superstitions in your country, I'm wondering? If you have any questions about the Russian language, you can always ask me in the comments below. I will be happy to answer and to make a video on that topic. Увидимся скоро. Subscribe. And пока-пока. До свидания.